Okay, here's a 3D rendering of one idea for the kitchen. Refrigerator would stay where it's at. We have the range on that fridge wall with an appliance hood. This cabinet is called a blind corner unit, and when this door opens up, let's get a closer view of this. This door opens up and there's shelves on the inside of the door, and then you can see two rollouts or drawers that would slide to the left to get to those items. Drawer stack, just a standard cabinet with a shelf in here, the microwave, a drawer below it, the upper cabinets with glass doors, and this corner unit here. So these two doors on the corner cabinet open up together, so it's open from here to here, and the shelves are L-shaped. Spice tray, this pulls out like a drawer, and for spices and cooking oils, cookie sheet, storage, and on the island, we have the sink, trash rollout, and a 3-drawer stack. There's no dishwasher per what you wanted, but that's an idea of what we've got so far. All right, let me know what you think. Thank you.